Welcome everybody. I hope you enjoy the show. I had did some outside lights and decor. It had been super cold here, -5, so I was not able. We finally had a warm up. It was about 45 degrees, and I was able to get my lights and stuff up. We did not do it the week before December because we were in Florida. So sit back, enjoy, and I hope this gives you inspiration for your own outside lights. My kitty Boots. She is mainly an inside cat. She tends to just stay around where we are when we are outside. Um, she just likes to chill. She's 13, older kitty, but yeah, she definitely likes my Christmas decorations. She was totally involved in the entire process. So when you see her in the video throughout, she was enjoying herself. Herself. For everyone asking, that was the Mickey Bush that I DIY. There's a YouTube video out there that I made on how to make your own Mickey Bush, and those are the viral LED color changing lights. It's like 325 feet. Did the entire tree out front by itself. I usually have to use like 10 rows, and LED, energy saving. Love them, love them. They're super bright.
I love them rosy noses. I love the mistletoes. I love them cheesy pieces on television. And I cry like a baby each time. See, the hero gets the girl, and I got a Merry Christmas crush. There's nothing like a fire, like angels in the snow. I never will be tired of this adorable season. Got a real feel-good flow. Oh, and every carol is a rush. Got a Merry Christmas crush. Tonight I wanna celebrate. Tonight I wanna dream away. See the shimmer in the eyes of every happy Christmas child. A Merry, Merry Christmas. I wish you a Merry Christmas.
Okay, so these are those lights I was talking about. They come with a container so you can rewrap them up. I did have my microphone in my hand. They died when I discharged them, but it is what it is. It's still really cold outside, and I did just wrap them around. They were so easy to put on the tree because they're flat, kind of like fairy lights, but they're made for snow, storms, and wind. I didn't have any trouble because, like, usually when you're hanging lights, they get stuck because sometimes the bulbs can break, whatever. These were flat, and at first I was like, I don't know how bright these are going to be. They were so good. As you can see, it's daytime, and you could still see them where my other lights that were like the bulbs were not really that bright, and I actually had turned it down to low just to see. But yeah, that was great. My camera had actually fallen when I was hanging them up in the branches. I actually just do like a paint pole, like an extender, and then I literally just used a smaller paintbrush roller, and that roll was able to just slide right on there, and it stayed. And I kind of just rolled and walked around in a circle around the higher branches, and was able to put them on that way. But now as you can see here, I'm doing my porch. But I just wanted to let you guys know how I did that because my phone had like literally dropped and was facing the grass. Even in the stand, the wind was blowing really high, and I wasn't paying attention when I was walking around the tree to put the lights up. But yeah, it was super easy. I think I probably got the entire upper tree in like less than 10 minutes, maybe. It was really cool. Okay, so this is my Mickey tree that I DIY'd using some, what are they, like bush balls, or I forgot what they're called. I have no idea. But I got them at IKEA. They were way cheaper than Home Depot, Hobby Lobby, all of them that had them. They wanted like $50 for the bigger round one. It was actually bigger than that. I actually cut it smaller. I got it, like I said, at IKEA, and it was like $10, and the little ones were like $2. But anywho, here's how it looks at night. That tree is as tall as my house, by the way. So yeah, I really liked how it came out. I know from the street you can see the dots, but on the video it was not seeing the little laser lights. But yeah, my kids really enjoyed it. I was trying to do a clean little enchanted type. I usually do like Christmas garland around my patio right there. I just chose not to, just due to like the time. My son has walking pneumonia, so it's kind of going around. Yay! But he's on antibiotics and was able to go back to school today. He was been on it for 3 days, and he missed a couple of days last week. I also believe that I have it. My voice is all cracky and everything due to the fact the doctor said I don't need antibiotics at this time. Most people can fight it off. My son has asthma, so he needed the antibiotics for it. Lovely gift that we got when we went to Disney World. We picked up walking pneumonia, Fantastic. But I hope you guys have a Merry Christmas. I hope you enjoy. I will be posting my DIY gingerbread video either later this evening or tomorrow morning, but I'm also doing my kitchen as well. I'm putting up our gingerbread house around the top of our cabinets and doing some more of my tier trays and stuff. All right, see you guys later. Hope you enjoyed. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment for anything else you guys want. Any type of video ideas that you guys want or anything like that. All right, later. Bye.